Welcome back. I'm actually travelling this week, but the warm location and the gold decor is actually the perfect backdrop for exploring the Palm Springs mid-century modern architecture, which occupies a rather strange place in the history of American design. The houses are sleek and geometric, set against dramatic desert landscapes with glass walls and endless sunshine. In today's video, we're exploring why the Palm Springs mid-century modern feels so distinctive and also why it can feel a little surreal. Mid-century modern homes were built across the United States after World War II. You'll find them in LA, Denver, Chicago, and countless suburban neighborhoods built in the 1950s and 60s. But the version that was built in Palm Springs definitely feels different. The houses are lighter, the colors are brighter, and the relationship between the buildings and the landscape feels almost theatrical. The Palm Springs mid-century modern creates something unusual. An entire environment that feels like a perfectly preserved vision of the future, but as it was imagined 70 years ago. Palm Springs sits in the Sonoran Desert, where temperatures frequently rise to up to 110 degrees. Architects working here quickly realized that traditional house forms weren't going to work in this environment. Instead, they developed what is often known as desert modernism, a version of mid-century design specifically adapted to the climate, where roofs extended outwards to create deep shade, glass walls opened the interior to wide mountain views, and breeze blocks filtered the light while allowing air to circulate. And the structures themselves were often lightly lifted off the ground with post and beam construction, and the result was architecture that felt surprisingly light and open, even in the extreme temperatures. Another reason the Palm Springs mid-century modern developed such a distinctive character was the lifestyle it was designed to support. Unlike many mid-century modern homes built in suburban neighborhoods across the country for everyday family life, Palm Springs homes were often second homes. Weekend retreats where the focus was relaxation, entertaining, and escape from the routines of the city. And that shaped the architecture in subtle but important ways. Living rooms opened directly onto patios and pools. Large sliding glass walls blurred the lines between interior and exterior space. Kitchens were often compact, while outdoor entertaining areas became the real centre of the home. The houses were designed less around daily domestic routines and more around leisure. Afternoons by the pool, evening cocktails on the terrace, and long desert sunsets framed by large glass walls. Palm Springs' proximity to Los Angeles meant that many of these homes became weekend escapes for actors, musicians, and entertainers during Hollywood's golden age. Figures like Frank Sinatra and the Rat Pack helped turn this city into a glamorous desert playground. That atmosphere of effortless leisure and quiet glamour became part of the architecture itself. In that sense, the Palm Springs mid-century modern wasn't just about architectural form. It was about architecture built to support a specific kind of life. The Palm Springs mid-century modern also reflects the optimism of the post-war era. The homes built here during the 1950s and 60s emerged at a moment when modern design was closely tied to ideas about progress and the future. New materials, construction methods, and technologies were reshaping how architects thought about buildings. Flat roof lines, butterfly roofs, post and beam structures, expansive glass walls, all expressed a belief that architecture could become lighter, simpler, and more connected to the landscape. In Palm Springs, these ideas took on a particularly vivid form. The houses felt crisp and geometric against the desert backdrop, their clean lines contrasting sharply with the rugged mountains surrounding them. Bright doors, breeze-block screens, and carefully framed views of the landscape added to the sense that these homes were part of a carefully designed environment. Seen today, many of these houses still feel strikingly futuristic. But they're futuristic in a very particular way. Not our idea of the future today, but the version of the future as imagined in the middle of the 20th century. And that's what designers sometimes refer to as retro futurism. A version of tomorrow that was created in the past, yet preserved long enough to feel like it's a time capsule. Taken together, these elements create something very unusual. Palm Springs mid-century modern isn't just a collective of individual houses. Entire neighbourhoods were built around the same design ideas, the same materials, and the same vision of desert living. Drive through these areas today and the effect can feel almost cinematic. Glass walls open towards turquoise pools, butterfly roofs stretch towards the mountains, and palm trees frame streets lined with homes that still look remarkably similar to how they were 70 years ago. Because so much of this architecture has been preserved, Palm Springs can feel like stepping into a perfectly curated world, a place where the mid-century vision of modern living never quite faded. It's perhaps no coincidence that the recent film Don't Worry Darling with Harry Styles used Palm Springs-style mid-century modern architecture to represent a perfectly designed alternate reality. The architecture captures that same feeling, a vision of the future imagined decades ago, still glowing in the desert sun. What makes Palm Springs mid-century modern architecture feel unusual is that it doesn't quite seem like ordinary housing. It feels more like an ideal, a carefully composed and curated vision of how life might look if everything was perfect and effortless. Sunshine, mountains, and turquoise pools. Perhaps that's why these homes have such a powerful hold on people's imagination. And they certainly do for me, because I actually got engaged in a Palm Springs mid-century modern home on Millennial Eve. And if that isn't a slightly otherworldly setting for a life moment, then I'm not sure what is. There's something about this setting and the landscape that just makes the whole experience feel a little surreal. And maybe that's the secret behind the Palm Springs mid-century modern. It isn't just architecture, it's a carefully composed world where the desert, the houses, and the lifestyle just feel like a beautiful illusion. Thanks so much for watching and bearing with me today while I'm trying to make videos while I'm travelling. I'll see you next week for more Homes Explained.